Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul and I am the Guinness World Record holder for having the most Windup toys in a private collection. I have 1,258 toys. Please subscribe to my channel where you can see many of the toys that I won the world record for. Today we're taking it back to the 80s, and do you remember the first video games? I'm doing this video because one of my followers has asked me to do it several times, and even though I didn't even really have these toys, I now do, and I purchased them recently. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, Pac-Man. Pac-Man is a maze arcade game developed and released by Namco in 1980. The player controls Pac-Man, who must eat all the dots inside of a maze while avoiding the 4 colored ghosts. Let's start with Pac-Man. This is a great toy. It is actually, I just bought it on eBay. Here is the packaging, and this is so funny. There's a price tag on the front from Kmart. It was originally $1. And this person got it on sale for 25 cents. The toy was trademarked in 1982, so I assume that's about when it was purchased. And here's the toy that was in that package. This is Pac-Man. He's got his little orange arms and black shoes. And watch this, what happens. His mouth opens and closes just like on the game. Inside is the red ghost, Blinky. Pac-Man is one of the longest running video games franchises in history. It has won all kinds of awards. The first expansion of the franchise was to add Ms. Pac-Man. And the reason they added Ms. Pac-Man is because Pac-Man is so popular with the female population. This one I also got on eBay recently, also from 1982, and these are both Tomy toys. Now, Ms. Pac-Man is adorable. She's got the eyelashes, the bow on her hair, and she's got white arms. And here's something I love, is that she's wearing red high-heeled shoes. And she can run through that maze in her high heels. I think that's pretty impressive. Let's see what happens when Ms. Pac-Man is wound up. And as you can see, the mouth opens and closes. Inside of Ms. Pac-Man, she has Inky, the blue ghost. You may not be familiar with the black ghost because the black ghost didn't show up until the very last series, Pac-Mania. Let's watch the ghost and its eyes. It moves actually so similar to the way that it moves in the actual game. And the eyes go back and forth. Super cool, and I recently purchased that one also. This next toy is one of my favorites. Now, I've had this one for a long time, and it's so cool. It's different than any other wind-up toy in my collection. This is an arcade game that's a racing car. So this is one of those games where you actually sat in the seat and you were controlling the car. You can see the front of the car, it says Martina Racing, it's number 18, and then on the back side is actually the screen, and watch this. True confession, I've had this toy for probably 20 some years, and I didn't know, first of all, the gear is the on-off switch, and I don't know if you could see this, but when you turn the steering wheel, the car actually moves in the screen. So I never knew that that steering wheel actually worked until my son told me like 2 days ago. So thank you, and that actually makes this video more interesting. So thank you, Sam. Next, Space Invaders. This is another one that was one of my favorite games because this was really the first game in the shooter game genre. The goal of the game is to defeat wave after wave of descending aliens with a horizontally moving laser to earn as many points as possible. And these toys are so cool. because they actually have the motion of what the aliens did in the game, just going back and forth. Space Invaders is considered one of the most influential video games of all time. It helped expand the video game industry from a novelty to a global industry and ushered in the golden age of arcade video games. I also purchased these recently and I've never seen them before. I got them on eBay. Here is the packaging for it. Okay, next, another fun one from the 80s, Super Mario. Super Mario is a platform game series created by Nintendo, and it featured its mascot, Mario. I don't have a Mario wind-up toy, I'm sorry to say, but Mario's dinosaur friend Yoshi is a very popular character and cute as could be. I have this one in red. They come in 6 different colors, and I just bought one on Amazon that comes in this mystery container. So as I said, it comes in 6 different colors. I'm not going to know until right now which color I got. I just hope it is not the red one. I'd be very disappointed if I had only 2 of these and they were both the same color. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh, I guess it's got this, so it's got this tab that, I got a pink one. I'm so excited. There's actually instructions, which is very helpful. And I bet the instructions say do not overwind and not suitable for children under 3, because I have enough wind-up toys that obviously I know these things and I know how to operate it. I don't need to read the instructions. Aww. Oh. Right out of the package, and it doesn't work so well. Isn't that interesting? There it goes. Oh, I think those are so cute. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed seeing these wind-up toys and doing a little throwback to the 80s. And please subscribe to my channel, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and remember, keep smiling.